Correlative conjunctions are special word pairs that work together to connect equal parts of a sentence. Today we focus on both and. Both and creates perfect pairs in English like both Tom and Mary or both smart and kind. These pairs always balance two equal ideas. The structure is simple. Both item 1 and item 2. Both goes before the first item and in goes before the second item. This connects two equal elements like nouns or verbs or adjectives or phrases. Always keep both sides balanced. Both the cat and the dog were sleeping in the sun. Notice both connects two nouns. She is both smart and kind. Here both connects two adjectives. Both Tom and Mary went to the market. Both connects two names. See the equal balance. Both coffee and tea are popular drinks. Both connects two nouns again. He speaks both English and Spanish fluently. Both connects two languages. The movie was both exciting and educational. Both links two adjectives describing the movie. Rule 1. Both and connects two equal elements only. Rule 2. Use plural verb after both items. Both cats and dogs are friendly. Rule 3. Same part of speech on both sides. Both runs and jumps, not run and jump. Practice sentence 1. Both blank and blank are my favorite colors. Practice sentence 2. She speaks both blank and blank fluently. Practice sentence 3. The cake was both blank and blank. Fill in equal words that match. Use both with plural nouns when no article follows. Both parents are here. Use both of when a determiner or pronoun comes before. Both of the parents are here. Both of my friends came. Both and both of always need plural verbs. Answer 1. Both blue and green are my favorite colors. Answer 2. She speaks both English and French fluently. Answer 3. The cake was both delicious and beautiful. Perfect pairs every time with both and.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.